Please state your name for the record and your reason for being here.
Miss Mikuleski and I found Mr. Henry's body.
In your own words, tell us what happened that night.
Well, Mrs. Evans had invited all of the staff over for a party. We were all pretty excited. I even went over to Mrs. Webster's house to get ready beforehand.
Was there anyone else there with you?
Oh, yes, Mrs. Colley came over too. Anyway, I was also talking to Mrs. Webster in the living room when we saw Henry fall from the top of the stairs.
What were you guys talking about?
We were talking about Mrs. Webster's frustration with her husband. In fact, that is why we were inside at that time. We didn't want anyone to hear us. We had no idea that Henry was right there. I wonder if he heard what we were saying.
So you became aware of him being there when you fell, or when he fell, not before.
I don't like what you are insinuating, but yes, for the record, the first we saw him was when he was laying at the bottom of the stairs.
I'm not trying to imply anything. I am just trying to make sure I have all of the facts. So, what happened next?
I tried to help him up, but he was unconscious. I did all that I could do. Other than that, what is there to tell?
Just one last thing. When you were in the house, did you notice a pair of candlesticks at the top of the stairs?
I have been over to the Evans household a couple of times, and there has always just been that one candlestick.
Thank you for coming in and answering all of our questions. We will be in touch, but if you think of anything else, please let us know. Remember to limit your communications with the others and don't leave town.